Hey, this is Kim Megan. We're just completing the Hippo challenge for the Cert 3 in fitness. I've got my client Tracy here. So we've just completed the pre-exercise screening and personal profile. I'm looking at developing a program now for Tracy to complete in the gym. Just had a few extra questions for you, Tracy, just regarding some of your history. So have you had any current or past medical conditions that might make it difficult for you or put you at risk at all being in the gym?
No.
No, so generally pretty well?
Yep.
Yeah. Do you
Yep.
take any medications at all?
No.
No, okay. Any vitamins or anything like that?
Sometimes.
Okay.
Not at the moment.
Okay, no worries. And have you got any current injuries at the moment or anything that you might need to see a physiotherapist about or anything that could be affected when you're using any of the machinery as equipment? Okay, great. That's excellent. So in looking at developing a program, what we aim for is that we want to get a program that's going to work towards achieving your goals. So that's to increase strength. We also want to look at a program that's specific for you. So things that we need to factor in would be Tracy's age at 55 years, looking at your body composition at the moment and your weight, and what we can do to sort of work towards bringing some of those values down a little. And how we set that up is that we'll do a warm-up. So generally our warm-up consists of something cardio, such as a bike or a treadmill. I've chosen to include a bike in the program because you said that you quite enjoy cycling.
Yes.
So we're going to use the bike for a warm-up. Then we do three of the first 3 exercises. We do 6 reps as warm-up reps, and that's about 50% of what you'd normally lift in the weight. So that's what we do with our warm-up. And then we do some dynamic stretching as well. So that's what we include in our warm-up.
Yep.
Our actual workout exercises. So what I've chosen for Tracy is a bodyweight squat. We're going to do 3 sets with 12 reps, and the tempo that I've selected is 2-2, so 2 seconds down, 2 seconds up with a squat. And then all of these sets we're going to have 90 seconds rest in between each set. That means you do 1 set and then have 90 seconds rest and go on to the next, and also having that 90 seconds rest or greater in between each of the different exercises as well. The other exercise I've chosen is a vertical chest press, 2 sets, 10 reps at with a perceived rate of exertion. So that means how hard you feel like you're working of 7. So that's measured between 1 to 10.
Okay.
And again, the tempo for all of these is 2-2. So 2 seconds for eccentric contraction and 2 seconds for concentric contraction. Your seated row, so close grip seated row, which I'm going to go through these exercises with you. We're going to do 2 sets and 10 reps with a pre of 7 again, tempo 2-2. A dumbbell shoulder press, 2 sets, 10 reps with a pre of 7, tempo 2-2, with the 90-second rest continuing. Wide grip lat pull down, 2 sets, 10 reps with a pre of 7 again. Abdominal curl, so now looking at getting some core exercises. So an abdominal curl, 2 sets, 12 reps of them, and we're using our body weight only for that with a tempo of 2-2, really focusing on the form for our abdominal exercises. A prone opposite arm and leg lift. We're going to do 2 sets, 12 reps with using your body weight again. So I'll show you how to do that. And then just a hover to finish off, which we're going to do 2 sets of 20 seconds. And really focusing on control and alignment for that hover. So that's getting you into your plank and getting some of that stability to try and achieve working towards those push-up goals. So I think some of those exercises too will assist with getting towards push-ups. And as you move through and become competent with this is a basic program. We're going to do this and follow up around April. That's about your 10 weeks. We're going to follow up again, and then we might move into some of the intermediate exercises, changing those sets and reps around to try and start building up on that strength. So how does that all sound to you?
Yeah, it sounds really good.
Good. And then every time too would also be followed with a cool down and a stretch. So the cool down, generally you'd want to be walking around in between the exercises and doing some of the stretches specific to that muscle group that you've just been working. So aiming for some static stretching in there as well. So then finishing the program up with some static stretching for your whole body again. I like to see 48 hours between workouts just to allow that recovery time.
All right. Yep.
Yeah. And
Sounds great.
okay, that's excellent. Thank you.